We're following at 6. It has been almost 1 year since 13-year-old Prince Holland was shot and killed while getting a ride home from football practice. And new evidence in the case was released that details the way the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office found the suspects. Rich Donnelly is on your side tonight with a look at the methods police used to make arrests in this case. Rich.
5 people were in an SUV driving on Moncrief Road that was riddled with bullets on December 3rd of last year. 13-year-old Prince Holland was the only person to die in that shooting. Less than 3 weeks later, the first arrest was made in that case, and newly released evidence in the case sheds light on the methods that police used to arrest multiple suspects. More than 2,000 pictures and pages of evidence tie Marcel Johnson and Contravious Gerard to the murder of 13-year-old Prince Holland, including shell casings at the scene of the shooting and boxes of ammunition in Johnson's home. First Coast News crime and safety analyst Mark Bachman reviewed some of the newly released evidence.
Forensically, there's a way to tie those shell casings at the crime scene back to that ammunition. They have their own signature, their own identification, and someone who is trained in that will be able to testify to the fact that they can tie that ammunition back to those shell casings at the scene.
Marcel Johnson and Contravious Gerard have each been charged with second-degree murder in this case. They also each appeared in an Instagram video with a semi-automatic weapon bragging about putting someone in the hospital just 2 days after the shooting.
There is a heightened awareness by law enforcement to monitor that kind of traffic, especially right after a major event.
According to police reports, surveillance video from at least 4 separate businesses in Jacksonville tie this blue Kia to the shooting.
They do a timeline with the CCTV footage that they're capturing that plot him along to that actual crime scene.
Police also say the owner of the vehicle said Johnson borrowed the car the night of the shooting. A search warrant of Johnson's residence uncovered unused ammunition as well as clothes that police say Johnson was wearing the night of the shooting. Both Johnson and Gerard remain in jail facing murder charges in the death of Prince Holland. Johnson's next court date is November 27th. Gerard's is November 30th. Reporting, Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.